Now children, we are going to solve example 7. The example 7 says that a girl of height 90 centimeter is walking away from the base of lamp post. So let us consider AB is lamp post, correct? With the speed 1.2 meter per second. If the lamp is 3.6 meter above the ground, the lamp post height is 3.6 meters. Find the length of the shadow after 4 seconds. Now here we have to draw the ray diagrams. It is not required to draw the girl and the lamp post because mathematicians are never good in drawing. So let us draw and it is not expected. We are not going to see how well you draw the girl or lamp post. So here write down solution, example 7. Solution. Children, all of you have to write the questions in the classwork. So leave 4 lines and then draw the figure. Correct? So here let AB is equal to height of lamp post. Correct? Lamp post is equal to 3.6 meter is equal to 360 centimeter. Why we are converting this into centimeters? Because height of the girl is in centimeters. Otherwise you can convert 90 centimeter into meter. That also is correct. Then CD is equal to height of girl is equal to 90 centimeter. BD is equal to distance travelled by girl is equal to distance is equal to speed into time. That is equal to, what is the speed? 1.2 meter per second into 4. That is equal to 4.8 meter is equal to 480 centimeter. Now let DE is equal to shadow of girl is equal to X centimeter. Correct? Now therefore, and one more thing we should understand, BE is the shadow of the lamp post. Correct? Now here in triangle ABE and triangle CDE we have angle B is congruent with angle CDE because these two are perpendicular for the ground, each 90 degree. Correct? Angle AEB is congruent with angle CED, common angle. Therefore triangle ABE is similar with, now ABE, B is congruent with D, so second letter has to be D. Then E is common, E should be in the third place, so remaining is C, so C will come first and reason will be AA test of similarity. So this will be AA test of angle test of similarity. Therefore we have AB upon CD is equal to BE upon DE. Corresponding sides will be in proportion. Correct? So I will be erasing this. So substituting the values we have here AB is equal to 360 upon 90 is equal to, this is 480 centimeter and this is x. So 480 plus x, as two terms are there, insert the bracket upon x. Now here 0 0 gets cancelled, 9 ones are, 9 fours are. Therefore 4 into x, 4x cross multiplication is equal to 1 into 480 plus x. So that is equal to 480 plus x. So x will be transferred to this side. 4x minus x is equal to 480. So 3x is equal to 480. X is equal to 480 upon 3. That is equal to 160 centimeter is equal to 1.6 meter. So 3 ones are, you can divide this. This is how we have done with example 7. Now today we are going to start with example 8. Now children, we are starting with example 8. In example 8, it is said that triangle ABC is similar with triangle PQR. Now CM is the median for triangle ABC. RN is the median for PQR. Now children, what is the meaning of median? Median is a line segment joining the midpoint of the side with opposite vertex. Now if M is the midpoint, so M when joined with C, it will be median. So when it is given to us that CM is median, it does mean that AM is equal to BM or BM is the midpoint of AB. Correct? So similarly, N is midpoint of PQ, that means PN is equal to QN. We are going to take advantage of this. Now proof I will be writing. Now there are 3 parts to be proved. As the board is small, I am writing only one part. Second part I will write afterwards. Correct? So proof for this I am writing. In your classwork you may write 3 of them continuously, but I will be taking one by one. So first part I am taking. Here in triangle ABC similar with triangle PQR. This is given to us. Correct? Therefore AC upon AC, first and third, so PR is equal to, now I will be writing AB first and second letter PQ, and reason will be CPST, corresponding parts of similar triangle. Therefore AC upon PR is equal to, if I multiply both AB and PQ with half, I will be writing half AB upon half PQ. Now half AB is nothing but AM and half PQ is PN. AM and PN are medians, we can write. Because they are medians, we can take them as midpoints. Correct? So we got first side, second side. Now angle A is congruent with angle P. Again first letter, CPST. Now when we want to write angles, we can write CAST. And when we want to write the sides are in proportion, we can write CSST. But for both of them, we can just write corresponding parts. So parts means angles or sides. Both are coming in that. Therefore, we are just writing CPST. Now from therefore triangle. Now here ACM is similar with triangle. Now we want, here correspondence is given, so same correspondence, don't use the brains. Here it is given Therefore, triangle AMC is similar with triangle PNR. Now you can recheck. A is congruent with P. Correct, we got. Then AC, first and third letter. First and third letter PR. Correct. Then second we got AM, first and second letter is similar with PN, first and second letter. It does come correct. Correct. Therefore, we can write here SAS. Test of similarity. So first part is over for us.